Good afternoon and welcome to the February 20th planning briefing for Central Idaho and Northwest Montana. Looking at our weather threat matrix, we're looking at just absolutely fabulous winter days for Friday and Saturday. Sunday is our next system and it'll begin to affect Northwest Montana. We think for Southwest Montana and Limhi County, it's going to be restricted to pass level on Sunday. By Monday, we're going to see it's starting to affect all levels, all areas, with moderate effects in north central Idaho, northwest Montana, and west central Montana. And then by Tuesday, we have low threat for pass level for north central Idaho, northwest Montana, and west central Montana. Looking at our satellite, you can see it's picture perfect. Few high clouds may come through southern parts of central Idaho and northwest Montana this afternoon, but it's looking great for today, tomorrow, and Saturday. The biggest question is, do we erode our cold pools tomorrow and have slightly higher temperatures on Saturday? We have no confidence in that happening. If it does, it could be in the mid-40s by Saturday. Sunday, we're going to have a ridge set up off the coast here. It's going to put us into northwest flow, and there's an embedded wave in that flow. And that's going to bring in the next system, starting with snow showers up in the mountains of northwest Montana. That'll spread south and east throughout the day, and we think it'll get down into the lower elevations with the frontal passage overnight Sunday into Monday. Our biggest concern for this period is going to be that Monday morning commute. Once we get into, after the frontal passage, we're going to start to get a little bit more convective, and we're going to start to see snow showers pop up and the possibility of snow bands. I do not think it's going to be quite as spectacular as last Monday, but in areas where these do develop, there could be a quick inch or two of snow in the lower elevation, and this could be during the morning commute. Right now, we have no confidence on where they'll set up or at what time they're going to set up. The models, they're just not coming together with a good solution at this point. And then by Tuesday, it'll be more of a northerly flow, and that's probably going to restrict the showers to the highest terrain. After that, the divergence in the models, there's no sense in even talking about what's going to happen other than from a climate perspective. So through Saturday, quiet weather, bluebird days. Sunday into Tuesday, the next system comes in on Sunday. Really doesn't affect everyone until later in the evening on Sunday. And then it's Monday that we're keying in on the highest impacts, and that's only if the snow showers and the bands develop as the atmosphere becomes more unstable. And we are thinking that it could affect that morning commute. You're just gonna, we'll ask you to check back in on Sunday and see how those the models are coming together on a solution for this. And then by Tuesday, we'll be in a more northerly flow. We're gonna have snow showers up in the higher terrain, and they could come down and affect the mountain passes. For total snow in this, we're looking at 3 to 6 inches for the higher terrain and mountain passes. With the front, we think it's going to be a widespread half-inch for everyone in the lower areas, and then where these showers and the snow bands set up, an inch or two, depending upon the longevity and the direction of the bands if they do set up. Looking at the CPC outlook, we're looking at below normal moisture for the Northern Rockies and below normal temperatures. Basically what's going to happen is as that ridge sets up off the coast, we're going to stay in that northerly flow, which is going to cause the cold air next week to dive into the southern plains. It's going to miss us, but it will keep us just slightly below normal for that period. Anyway, thank you for coming to the briefing. Our next briefing will be Sunday, the 23rd of February. Have a great day.